DJ Lone Star, LIB, bam, thank you. Today I will be showing you how to connect your SmartMike Plus to a GoPro camera. Okay, first of all, for disclaimer, I do not work for GoPro or for Sabinetek SmartMike Plus. Okay, I just had issues with this, trying to connect it to my camera, and I have a few difficulties, but I finally got it to work. So I thought I should share just in case someone is having the same issues. Okay, so first thing you will need to know, first thing you need is the media mod for the GoPro. Okay, it wouldn't work with just your GoPro, you need a media mod. Okay, now next to know is they come with two kind of cables. The mics come with two kind of cables. They come with the TRRS, which is the one with 3 pins, 3 black lines on it, and the regular TRS, which is just 2 black lines on it. Okay, the triple line works with the Android phone. So if you're connecting it with just your Android, use a TRRS, which has a 3 line. But to connect it with the camera, you need a TRS, which has 2 lines. I had this issue. That's how I had problem with it before because I was using the wrong cable on my GoPro and it didn't work. And finally, I kept working with it and I figured out this was the right cable. I was using the wrong connector. Okay, so first thing first, you want to pair your mics the same way that you do it with the Android. Okay, first you hold this for approximately 10 seconds. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000, 8 1000, 9 1000, 10 1000. Okay, until you see it blinking green and red, then you know the first one is ready to go. The second one should take about a couple of seconds. 1000, 2 1000. Okay, and now as it's blinking, you want to check them out and see when they start fading in and out. This one is ready. Okay, now when both are fading in and out, that means they are paired and ready to go. The ones that are fading green is the one that you connect your cable to, TRS. The one that's fading blue is the one that goes on you. This one that's you as the mic. Then you plug this one into your phone microphone's jack, your camera microphone jack. And everything goes well, it should be ready to go. So let me plug it up, connect it, and do a little quick recording from it and see how it goes. Now I have the GoPro connected. I am recording from both GoPro and my Android cell phone. So let me take a little walk and see the sound quality in both. Okay, I'll do a distance check by walking away from the camera to see if the audio from the camera and the audio from the phone are the same, or which one is better. My first time comparing the two. So I'll do this. I walk away. The DJ Lone Star, mic check. 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 Mic check. DJ Lone Star. DJ Lone Star, mic check. Now I have the GoPro connected. I'm recording from both GoPro and my Android cell phone. So let me take a little walk and see the sound quality in both. Okay, I'll do a distance check by walking away from the camera to see if the audio from the camera and the audio from the phone are the same, or which one is better. My first time comparing the two. So I will do this. I walk away, say DJ Lone Star, mic check. 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 Mic check. DJ Lone Star. DJ Lone Star, mic check. Okay. Recording with the Sabinetek SmartMike Plus connected. So I want to see how it sounds. It's a little windy out here. I don't know if the wind is affecting the sound. So I will do another recording with the windbreaker on and see how it works. Now let me walk around the back of the phone and see how it sounds, if it still sounds clear. Now behind the phone, behind the camera, I'm still talking, and I don't know if it's still clear or did the sound slow down a little. Now I'm back in the front, and here we go. I'm back. Now I got this windbreaker on. Let's see if it's gonna eliminate any noise if there was any. It's just a little windy out here, not very windy, so I'm gonna walk around the camera again and see if this windbreaker is any different from with a regular mic. So I'm walking behind it and I am talking. Yep, this DJ Lone Star still here walking in the back of the camera, talking. And let's see if it eliminated any noise. Thank you for watching. If you find this information useful or helpful, please support my channel by hitting that like and subscribe button. Thank you very much. Catch you on the next show. Thank you. DJ Lone Star. L-I-B. Bam.